When it comes to building wealth, many people search for a secret shortcut or a hidden formula. Some think wealth only comes from luck, inheritance, or being in the right place at the right time. But here's the truth. There is a wealth equation that never fails. It's not about winning the lottery or chasing risky schemes. It's about practicing timeless principles that anyone, no matter where they start, can apply consistently. The equation is simple. Income minus expenses equals savings to investments to wealth. At first glance, this might look too simple, but when lived out with discipline and patience, it becomes the most reliable path to financial success. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Increase your income. The first part of the equation is income. This is the money flowing into your life. For most people, income comes from a job or business. If you want to build wealth, you need to think of ways to grow your income. That could mean learning new skills, seeking promotions, starting a side hustle, or even building a business. In today's world, opportunities are everywhere. Freelancing, digital products, content creation, tutoring, and online businesses. The key is not to rely on a single stream of income. The more sources you create, the stronger your financial foundation becomes. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. More baskets mean more chances for growth. Step 2. Control your expenses. This is the part many people struggle with. It's not just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. If your expenses rise every time your income rises, you'll stay stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Wealth builders know the importance of living below their means. That doesn't mean depriving yourself of joy. It simply means being intentional. Track your spending, cut down on wasteful habits, and prioritize what truly matters. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I buying it just to impress others? When you control expenses, you create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is the secret ingredient for building wealth. Step 3. Save consistently. The difference between income and expenses becomes your savings. Think of savings as your seed. Farmers never eat all their harvest. They save some seeds for the next season. Likewise, you must protect a portion of your income for future growth. Set a goal to save a percentage of your income every month. It doesn't matter if you start small. What matters is consistency. Over time, small amounts grow into large sums. Automate your savings if possible. When money is saved before you even see it, you won't be tempted to spend it. Step 4. Invest wisely. Savings alone won't make you wealthy. Inflation slowly eats away at money that just sits in the bank. That's where investments come in. Investments are the engine that multiplies your money. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, index funds, or starting a small business, investing allows your money to work for you. But remember, never invest in what you don't understand. Educate yourself, seek advice, and start small if necessary. Compounding, the process where your returns earn more returns, is one of the most powerful forces in wealth creation. Time and patience make it even stronger. Step 5. Build wealth that lasts. When income, expense control, savings, and investments come together, wealth begins to grow. But wealth is not just about money. It's about freedom. It's the freedom to choose how you live, security to handle emergencies, and the ability to leave something behind for future generations. True wealth is also about impact. When you are financially strong, you can help others, give back to your community, and create opportunities for those who come after you. That's the kind of wealth that never fails, because it goes beyond just numbers in a bank account. The mindset behind the equation. The wealth equation works only if you have the right mindset. Patience, discipline, and consistency are key. There will be temptations, setbacks, and challenges along the way. Remember, wealth is not built in a day. It's built daily. Stay focused on the long term. Celebrate small wins. And always remind yourself why you started. To create a better life for yourself and for those who will come after you. Final thoughts. The wealth equation that never fails is not magic. It's a lifestyle. Income, expenses, savings, investments. Well, if you apply it faithfully, it will work. No matter your background, education, or starting point. Building wealth is like planting a tree. The best time to plant was years ago, but the second best time is today. Start now. Water it with consistency and watch it grow into something that will provide shape, fruit, and legacy for generations to come.